All right, so I'm gonna finally show you guys how to make a post-workout protein ice cream. Now you can have this any time of the day. It's just a meal replacement. You can have it for breakfast. You could have it for post-workout meal. You can have it before you go to bed. That's when I usually have this. But today, just finished the workout. It's gonna be a perfect post-workout meal. All right, so we're gonna start with 200 milliliters of whatever milk source you wanna use. I'm using almond milk, whatever you wanna use. I'm gonna measure out 200 milliliters of this particular almond milk, okay? Now I'm gonna add 2 scoops of, this is mint chip ice cream actually, protein powder. You can use whatever you like, but I'm gonna use 2 scoops of mint chip. It's gonna be very refreshing. You can use whatever you like, but I think 2 scoops is perfect. Now we're gonna put ice in it. We're gonna fill it all the way up to the top with ice. There we go. And you can put as much as you want. As much ice cream, as much ice as you want in here, right? To make it as thick or as liquidy as you like. This might be not enough. But now I'm gonna blend it up. We'll see you on the other side. All right, here we go. Just got done blending it. As you can see, nice and thick, ice cream-like texture. I'm gonna add some toppings. Perfect. Turn this back on. I like to add a couple toppings. This is cacao nibs. So I'm gonna add 10 grams of cacao nibs just to give it some texture.
The general population should not be adding 10 grams of cacao nibs. I add 2 to 3.
Gives it some fats, gives it some texture. And now I'm gonna add some carbs and some more texture. I'm gonna add 15 grams.
I add 8 to 10.
Boom. Of rice Chex. Mix it all up. And there's your post-workout or pre-bedtime protein ice cream concoction down the hatch.